In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared folder in Google Drive. Whether you're working on a group project, distributing important documents to your team, or just organizing your digital space, being able to upload files efficiently into a shared folder is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps from the very beginning. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive into your search engine or entering the direct link if you have it on hand. This will lead you straight to your drive. Now, if you find that you're not already signed in, make sure to log into the correct Google account that has access to the shared folder you'll be working with. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a look over at the left-hand menu. Here you'll notice various sections, including My Drive and Shared with Me, among others. To get to the folder someone else has shared with you, go ahead and click on Shared with Me. This section will display all the content that has been shared by others directly with your account. You'll now see a list of all the files and folders that have been shared with you. Find the specific folder where you wish to add your files. Keep in mind that folders might appear differently based on the sharing settings, so take your time to browse through carefully. Once you've located it, click to open the folder. Now, to start uploading files, you'll need to click the New button, which is usually located in the upper left corner of your screen. This is your go-to access point for creating new folders or uploading different types of content. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select File Upload. This selection will open up a window where you have the opportunity to browse through your computer's files and identify what you'd like to upload. Select the file or files you need and then click Open. Once you do that, Google Drive will immediately begin uploading them to the folder you've selected. It's quite efficient. As soon as the upload is complete, you'll see your files appear inside the shared folder. This means they're now visible and accessible to anyone who has permission to access that folder. Just like that, your files have been successfully added to the shared space. Finally, it's always a good habit to double-check that your files uploaded correctly and ended up in the right location. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded content to a shared Google Drive folder. With this knowledge, you can now collaborate and share files more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.